Yes, so you'll just tell us about your visit here, why you came here today, and your plan. And we've seen that you've launched the planting of trees. What is your target number for the planting trees inside prisons around Kenya?
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to visit. This is my first official tour of duty since I started as the PS Correctional Services. In line with the government commitment of transformation from the bottom up, one of the reasons why I visited is to see the state of the prisons in Kenya and in Kisumu in particular, and I'm very happy I have visited the Kenya Women Prisons as well as the probation office at Winam, and the goal is to not only encourage the staff to work very well, but also to see which areas require improvement. This government is very, very, very committed in improving the service delivery in the prison sector and in the probation, and creating harmony in reintegration and rehabilitation of all prisoners and all convicted persons into society. And one of the reasons why I have visited is to ensure that the industries that are here are well equipped, are running very well, and to see and interrogate what areas of improvement that will be required during my tenure.
Okay, we have had issues around congestion of prisons. What are your plans to enhance the congestion around prisons in Kisumu or in Kenya as a whole?
Thank you very much. The decongestion of prisons is an ongoing process. So far this year alone, we have decongested nearly 23,000 prisoners by reintegrating them back into society. We have a very robust and vibrant probation and aftercare service sector, which does probation reports and walks the journey of reintegration into society with all the prisoners. We hope that by the end of the year, we will have reached our target of nearly 30,000. And it is a continuous process. We are working hand in hand with all stakeholders, the judiciary, the non-governmental organizations that support us in ensuring that rehabilitation and reintegration takes place, and also equipping those who are getting back into society by perhaps supplying the equipment that they need, like sewing machines, like carpentry machines, and this is a continuous program.
Okay, you also launched an exercise of planting trees in prisons. What is your target when we talk about number of trees that you want to achieve in prisons to at least work together with the dream that the president has of planting 15 billion trees come 2030 vision?
The government is very, very committed in ensuring that we plant in the next 10 years 15 billion trees. The correctional service sector, which comprises the prison sector, the probation, aftercare, and administration, is committed to planting 1 billion trees. That translates to 100 million trees every year around the country. And today alone, in this 1 week, these Kisumu prisons planted 11,000 trees this week alone, and they've been planting. And our target is to ensure that all the prison land has at least 20% tree coverage. And I can see from my tour around that we are doing very well. I visited the probation office at Winam. We also planted a lot of trees. We planted 200 trees. And here we have planted already 11,000 trees. So it is an ongoing program. And we hope not only to reach our target of 1 billion, but to exceed that target. We are committed as government.
Okay, so planting trees goes hand in hand with the mitigation of the problems that are caused by climate change. And we know that in prisons we have sewer lines that always cause environmental pollution. So what plans or measures do you have in place to take care of this problem?
We are aware of that, and as correctional services, working very closely with the Commissioner General, we are already mitigating that process by renovating and recalibrating our sewerage system and improving the quality of the system. And in here, Ramogi alone, we are already at 25% reconstruction of the sewage system. We are doing this around the country in all our prisons so that they are up to standard. They meet the sewerage system meets the international standard. So it's an ongoing program, and we are committed to finalize it.
So as we round up, your visit here as the Department of Correctional Services, have you come with some donation from that department for the prisons that you are touring, or what?
Thank you very much. I am pleased to say yes. We have collaborated with several partners. My office alone, we have established that the Kisumu Women Prison comprises 77 women prisoners and 5 children. To this end, we have donated 77 blankets to help them. We have also donated clothes for the 5 children who are here. We have collaborated with Clean Start and Crime Siopoa and other organizations, and we have donated 4,000 tissue paper. We have also donated detergent, and we want more partners to come on board to help us to equip the prisoners, to repaint the prisons, to cement, to cabro, to do everything that they can do, because we are Kenyans and Kenya is our business.
So your last word of encouragement to the prisoners?
I want to encourage the prisoners never to give up, to know that there is life after this, to have the commitment that their lives can change, their dreams are valid, and to also encourage the prison staff that the work they do is sacred, because this is like a work of mercy that they do. And therefore, to think that this work that they do is very important. We are looking into ways and means, working in conjunction with the Commissioner General here, where we can improve their welfare. And it's something that we are looking into very seriously, in terms of housing, in terms of improvement of kitchens, in terms of improving their uniform. And we hope to give you good news soon. I'm pleased to say that some of the cadre have already been promoted, and therefore the staff motivation right now is very good, because those who had been lagging behind are now coming up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Erokamano Nyamilton, mago weche mabeyo mowuok kuom jagoro mongirore Migago ma ochung'ne arita mar ute twech, mana kaka osewacho ni gibiro kod mwandu mopogore mar jiwo jogo mabende otwe. Kenya ng'iyo batha kacha, wan kod gigo magibiro godo kaka ongede mabende ni bathe kacha, gie thuolo ni endi mago gigo magibiro godo. Chien kacha be nitiere lori mabende ni kod gigo mopogore moya yango kaendi ni gikelo ne jogo mani kaendi mondo mi ojiwgi gibed jogo mang'iyo mbele kata obedo ni gin e ute twech. Kopogore gi mano, kionge penjo moro amora to aduoko ni e studio mondo idhi nyime kod medo kelo weche medo tuche mesawa mar ke weche. Milton an kuomi.
Erokamano ahinya Millicent Adhiambo, achiel kachiel kowuok Kisumu. Mano Millicent Adhiambo, achiel kowuok e kar twech ma Kodiaga e boma ma Kisumu. Ka wadhi nyime, jatend migawo mar jolweny Aden Duale osingo ne sirikand Kenya Kwanza rido chenro mar kedo kod